Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to look at grade 7's work, common fraction. This is Platinum grade 7, page 76. In this book, a fraction is defined as a portion of a whole that has been divided into equal parts. So when a whole is divided, we cannot call it a fraction unless it is divided into equal parts. And a fraction is written as a over b. The number a represents a whole number called the numerator, and the number b represents a whole number called the denominator. So when you look at this diagram here, we could see that this diagram has been divided into 4, and out of the 4, 3 parts has been chosen. So this fraction is written as 3 over 4. The 3 stand for the number of parts it has been chosen, and the 4 stand for the number of parts it has been divided into. And we have 3 types of fractions. One is called a proper fraction. So in a proper fraction, we have the numerator to be smaller than the denominator. So when you look at this number here, 1 out of 2 or 3 out of 5, you could see that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. We can go on and mention a lot of fractions, which is a proper fraction. We also have the second type of a fraction, which is called an improper fraction. In an improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So when you look at this fraction here, 6 over 5, 17 over 9, and 3 over 2, 10 over 7. They are all improper fractions. We also have what is called mixed number. In a mixed number, it consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. So when you look at this one, one whole number 1 over 2, 3 whole number 2 over 3, 4 whole numbers 5 over 7. They are all in a mixed number. We're going to look at how do we convert improper fractions into a mixed number. When you look at this fraction here, this is an improper fraction. To convert this into a mixed number, we need to ask ourselves, how many times does 5 goes into 6? 5 goes into 6 one time. And then remainder what? Remainder 1. We write it on top, over the denominator comes down. 2 over 3. 2 goes into 3 how many times? 1 times. Remainder 1 out of 2. And then when you look at this one here, it is 6 over 4. 6 goes into 4 goes into 6 1 times. Remainder 2 out of 4. But here we could go further and write this in the simplest form. A number that goes into the 2 and goes into the 4 is 2. 2 goes into itself 1, it goes into 4 2. So our final answer is going to be 1 whole number 1 over 2. We also have another type of a fraction, which is let's look at how do we convert mixed number into improper fraction. Mixed number into improper fraction. If we have a fraction like 3 whole 1 over 2, to convert this into improper fraction, we just have to multiply this by that, and then we add to the top number. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we have the numerator to be 7 out of 2. If we have 6 whole number 3 over 5, to convert this into improper, we multiply 6 by 5, and then we add our result to 3. So 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 3 is 33. And then we have over 5. And then we have 3 whole number 3 over 5. To convert this into improper, we multiply this by that to get 15, and then 15 plus 3 is 18 over 5.